Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am also going to analyze weekly gold forecast. You can see the last week gold did buy well, get demand well, increase demand strongly. Now I am in daily chart. I move to the line chart to get confirmation forecasting gold. That you can see this area left side. You can see strong resistance area, two resistance areas you can see in the line chart. Okay, now I move to the candlestick chart also. Now gold would be this area. This I am marking yellow line. This is the strong sellers are in this area, yellow line. You can see this I am marking with the yellow area. This has a strong sellers in this area. Now I am forecasting this area price will retracement to the this first line area. That's my forecasting in gold would be buy in next week in this area. First line is my first target. I move to the 4-hour chart for strong confirmation. That's the first. My target is the first line area is a gold would be retracement and buy again. That's my first area to buy gold. Now I am thinking, I am forecasting this second line area is my second target area for buy gold. Is that my second target area? It's a second line area. That's why I'm forecasting gold would be buy in. That's the second line. I'm move to the line chart also again, and you can see that this line, this is it has a strong resistance in left side. You can see strong resistance. Third line area I am marking is strong resistance in this area. That is resistance would be support in the right side area. That's my forecasting. I am forecasting third area to buy gold. Is my third line is this area. This resistance area would be support. That's my third area to buy gold in this area. That's my three areas to buy gold. You can get the confirmation with a small time frame. I am using Fibonacci retracement to the confirm strong strong confirmations to buy area. That's why I am using Fibonacci retracement. That Fibonacci retracement indicates that the first area is this area is a 0.686 area is the middle area. That's the strong area to buy gold. So this area is 0.686 area using Fibonacci is the strong confirmation area to buy gold. That's my first forecasting in gold next week. That's the second area is 0.5 area is a buy gold. That's a Fibonacci retracement. That's third area is 0.686 areas to buy gold. That's the three areas to buy gold in next week. You can get in small time confirmations to buy gold. Thank you very much.